Oh man, I'm so excited. I hope I win this bird counting competition.
I wouldn't bother, man. I've been in a million of these competitions, and I win it every time.
Yeah man, I don't know, I just really love the idea of catching a bird in my hands, you know?
Let me give you a word of advice, buddy. Don't waste your time on the birds in your hand. They're never worth as much as the ones in the bush.
Well, everyone, you all know the rules. Whoever can get as many birds to me as possible wins. On your marks, get set, go. Well, contestants, time is up. It's time to deliver your birds to me.
Well, it's not much, but I hope you'll accept this one bird in your hands.
Well, it's not much, but it's definitely in my hands.
Listen, you dumb bitch. Next time, take my advice. Ditch the bird in your hand, have a look in the bush. Way more over there. You think one bird is good? I've got double that. If you just take a look over here in the bush, I've got 2 birds.
Well, where are they?
I could have sworn they were right over...
Well, since the 2 in the bush are gone, I guess the 1 in the hand is worth more.
Hey man, I know you tried really hard to get those birds, but you know, as they say, a bird in the hand is worth more than 2 in the bush.
Hey guys, Felix here. Thank you for watching my latest video. Always remember to believe in yourself, even if it means giving up on your dreams. Because... What? That's not his message. Okay, cut.